code we've got for it. Boost pressure control valve N249 mechanical malfunction. This is the N249 turbo diverter valve. Now, all the YouTube videos that I watched when I was researching this will tell you that the diaphragm, the way these fail is that the diaphragm here splits, and you get boost codes and boost leaks and codes such as that. However, this one failed mechanically. Even if you ohmed it out, put a meter on it, powered it up, it would click, it checked out, it looked perfect, but they somehow seem to lose their strength and can't keep the valve closed. So that noise that you heard is caused by this diverter valve being weak, not only not torn, it's just weak.